Hi guys, welcome to Moneyline Tips. Let's make some money today. In this sport business, we treat it as business, as investment. So let's try and make some money by following this strategy. Uh, okay, guys, our first game today is in Egypt Premier League, where MP Club is taking on Future, and then our prediction is. This is the game, Egypt Premier League, MP Club taking on Fako, and our prediction is full-time draw. If you want to risk it, you can also play this game under 1.5 at the odd of 2. But I see this game ending in a 0-0 draw. Okay, guys. Before we move on to the second game on our list today, in this channel we post free games sometimes 3 times in a week, and also we have made tutorial videos on how to predict different football markets. So kindly check this channel for those videos. It will be of help to you. We are here to create value, to give you value, and value is what you get. And also our Telegram channel is hot with good predictions, other members with good strategy on how to predict football matches are posting free games there. So kindly head over to our Telegram channel if you are interested in free matches. I will leave the link in the comment section. Also on our VIP platform, we give 5 to 20 odds on daily basis. If you are interested in winning, kindly chat me up on WhatsApp. It's the paid platform, so if you are not ready for the payment, please stay clear. And also soon as the league will resume, we'll be posting higher odds on this channel. Okay guys, let's move on. And then our second game today is in Iceland League 2, where Vikingur Olasvik is taking on Trotor Vagum, and our prediction is home team win. Then the last game on our list is in Lithuania Liga 1, where Salobi is taking on FK Brabugas Prong, and our prediction is full-time draw. That is a total of 23.9 for odds. I will post the booking code at the end of this video. If you are using Sportybet, if you are outside Nigeria and you are using Sportybet, kindly change your country to Nigeria before loading this code. And also these games are available on all bookies around the world. So bet responsibly, and see you tomorrow on our next video. Let's make some profit and make money today. Thanks for staying tuned.